welcome to the AutoInTouch video tutorial sessions episode 2. In episode 1 we created diary entries. In this episode we're going to take a converted diary entry and complete a document for an MOT. On screen you can see the diary entry we converted in the last episode. To begin, we can double click onto that entry and it will open up our document. As we can see, we have work required of an MOT test and the product code required. Talking through this screen quickly, we have our main tab. We have details in regards to which user has created the document, what is the current document status, has it been allocated, is it in progress, has it been completed, and is it ready to invoice. At the moment it's in progress. In the vehicle tab we have information previously obtained by AutoInTouch on the vehicle regarding the information about the detail or the vehicle itself and any previous invoices. The history tab will create a report for your customer of any invoices you've done previously, and the preview will show the job card on screen that would be printed out for the workshop. Back in main, we have the information about the document, job card, or estimate, quote, or invoice, the number of the document, the current date the document was created, the account code and the vehicle registration, an order number where relevant, the mileage, and to the right the invoice address, the delivery address. To find information about the customer, click the blue eye next to account and you get an account details pop-up. And to find out about the vehicle, click the blue eye against the registration and you get your vehicle details. Now, inside vehicle details you have notes about the vehicle and any reminder dates it may have. The vehicle history screen again, same as this one at the top here, and an MOT history screen showing all the previous MOTs and previous advisories or failures. At the bottom of the screen we have what we call our action keys. This is where we would add, edit, insert or remove document lines, where we can print the document or using the drop down arrow, email the document, update the document to save it to come back to later, or just close without saving. And down the left hand side of the screen, as with all screens in AutoInTouch Live, we have the window list, which is all your open documents or open screens. The common tasks is a section where you may need to use based on the screen you're on now, and a quick link back to the diary. Okay. So in this one we're going to create this MOT test. We can move these sections into the correct places and design your invoice. So the description MOT test there isn't needed, so we can remove that line, prompt for delete and yes, and it's no longer work required because the work would be done. We can double click to the line, select the work carried out section and click OK. Select the mechanic and there we go, that's now in. In this state of an MOT, this will be everything on your invoice. At this point, we can take job card, change to invoice, and come to print. System will prompt you to confirm you're ready to print. Click yes. We'll ask you for the mileage. We'll ask you the result of the MOT. And will prompt you to know or to ask when the next date of MOT will be. Once that has completed, that will generate you your invoice or print out depending on your system settings.